Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share projects with others in Todoist. Todoist is a popular task and project management tool that helps individuals and teams stay organized. One of its best features is product sharing, which allows you to collaborate with others in real time. And in this quick guide, I'll show you how to share project with others in Todoist using a laptop. So first you need to go to the Todoist website, type down todoist.com and enter it. Over here, you need to select any of the project that you want to on the left sidebar over here. And after you're done, in the top right corner, we can see this option that says share. Click on this option that says share and it opens the project sharing. And at the top and over here, you can simply enter the email address of the person that you want to invite, or you can simply copy the link and you can send it to your friends in any of the socials. And only the admin can manage the members and the setting. And that is it. You have successfully shared a project with others in Todoist using a laptop. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any queries or comments, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.